Hi, this is Mrs. Scarf. I am going to show you how to combine two files into a single document. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to remove the background from this world and from this hand. We're now going to combine them onto a single document. I'm going to go over to the world, I'm going to go to the layers, and I'm going to right click on the layer that I would like to send over to the other document. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to click on the word duplicate layer. When this comes up, you're going to give your layer a name. I'm going to type the word world. Where it says destination, you are going to choose the other document. So for me, it's called copy of hand on white. Then I am going to click OK. And now I'm going to go to the other document. As you can see, now the world is on top of the hand. To move the world, you're going to go to your tools and you're going to grab the move tool, which is also the letter V on your keyboard. You will notice that the world is on top of the hand. In order to make the world go behind the hand, you have to change the order of your layers. To do that, you're going to click on the layer that is called world and you're going to drag it behind the hand. Now, using the move tool, you can manipulate this object to move it wherever you want. You will notice, however, that this does not look completely realistic because the finger is in front of the world. In order to fix this, you can add a mask to the finger to hide it. I'm going to go over to my hand, and I am going to add a mask. This is my mask. Now that I have a mask, I'm going to go over to my tools and I'm going to grab my brush tool, or just hit the letter B, it's the same thing. We're going to grab the color black down here, and using my brush tool, I am going to now hide whatever part of this finger I don't want showing. For example, I can hide this part of the finger so that it looks like the world is in front of the finger instead of behind it. I'm going to use my zoom tool. As you can see, I did not do a very good job, so you can switch. If you go back to your brush and you put the color white on top, now you can fix whatever areas you accidentally missed. Remember, you are creating a mask. If you go Alt-click, you can see that anything that is black is being hidden and everything that is white is going to remain. Alt-click, and you can continue to adjust your mask by using either black or white on a brush, so that now this part of the finger looks like it's behind the world instead of in front of it. You can keep adjusting things and moving things around by using a mask on either the hand or the world. And these are the basics of how you combine objects together in Adobe Photoshop. To save your work, you can go File, Save As, give your document a name. You can save it on the cloud, or you can save this onto your computer as a Photoshop file so you can continue to edit it. When you are finished, if you want to be able to share this with other people, you should save this as a JPEG, which is a universal file. So File, Save a Copy when you are finished, and then down here at the bottom where it says File Type, you would select JPEG. This will save it so that anybody can open the file whether they have Adobe Photoshop or not. Thank you for watching.